Welcome in. Today we are going all the way to North Carolina. We're looking at a flam exercise by Cold Steel, and it goes just like this. We're going to learn this one bar by bar, but we're going to go 2 bars at a time, so it's a line each time. First line goes like this. So the best way of learning this is to learn it as a tune. You need to have a melody going in your head. That's the best way of memorising it. If I play it with single strokes to start with, I get 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a ba, ba, boo da, ah. Get that tune in your head. 1, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a right, left. Then we're going to flam all of those notes. So we're going to get right onto the left. Then we're going to get that little hand to hand. We'll try that with the Met. They play it somewhere in the region of 140. We're going to take it all the way down to 100 here. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four. Really trying to hear that tune. Okay, second line. In this one, I like to think of ups and downs. If we play normal flam accents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm thinking of those as downstrokes because they're on the 1 and a 2, 3, 4. If we talk about ups, we're talking about 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So in this case, we're going to play 2 ups, 1 and a 2 and then 2 downs, 1 and a 2 and a. So I get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this. So, 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Again with the metronome. 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4. We play the whole line with a stop after each time. We'll put a flam at the end. 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a release. 2, 3, 4. Try and lock in that metronome. I'm rushing a bit. It's a better one. Okay, next line. This next line, we get 2 flam accents, followed by 3 flam taps. So 1 triplet, 2 triplet. Now that's still triplet. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So we're going 3 and a 4 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Now you may as well put the release on, which gives us 3 and a 4 and a 1. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. And we'll play exactly the same off the left hand. Put those together. Again, there's a tune there. Last time. Now the next part starts with Swiss Army triplets. Now, flam taps are very similar to Swiss Army triplets. We get a equivalent of a flam tap with the release, so we're going to get... There's lots of ways of playing this, but what we're going to do is we're going to play it with both of them loud. So now we might get loud, and then kind of medium loud, right? But we certainly want those two patterns, ba 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 ba, to stand out. Ba 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 ba. But what's interesting about these guys is they play one of those and then do a flam accent. So we're going to get ba 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 da da da, which is Swiss, normal, stop. Swiss, normal, stop. Is the tune. Let me sing off the left. Put them together. Now this one has got kind of a turnaround, a reverse version. So then we go. So we've got the flam accent, followed by a Swiss. And then the same off the left, flam accent, followed by a Swiss. And a right hand release. So that second part will go. Let's play both of those. I'm going to do this with the metronome again. 2, 3, 4. And. So. Ba 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 ba. Okay, so this is the first time they'll exercise this next time where we get any kind of stop. And we just get this first 6 notes that go. And then right hand release. Now the next 6 notes go right, left, right, right, left, right. So there's 2 right hand flams in there. Now the release in this one will be left-handed, so. If I put those 2 together, I get. One and a 2, a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Okay, next up, flam triplets or flam accents are made up of 3 notes, right? So they're most often played in triplets. Well, in this case, we're staying in triplets, but we're adding an extra flam on there, which turns it into a 4-note pattern. So in other words, instead of going flam 2 3, we're now going flam flam 2 3. Now it's not 2 3 anymore, is it? Flam flam 3 4, right? So it's 4 notes. 1 2 3 4, and the same off the left. 1 2 3 4, flam flam 3 4, flam flam 3 4. So get a few of those going. But we've got to put those into triplets, so we're going to be going 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, because it's left hand lead. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Let's do both of those with the metronome. 3 4. Nice little part. If any of you guys know who wrote this, let me know. Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to get this exercise in the Drumr app. So I need to find out who wrote it to contact them and see if they can get permission for me to put it in the app. So the final line goes. So weird ending, right? But if we just play the first 2 bars, it's simply flam triplet, flam triplet, flam triplet, flam triplet, and then flam drags. But this time there's no release. So we're going to get 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now this next part, right? If you think of the start of a bar and you think of a triplet, so we're going to play a triplet release. So we're going to go 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of those notes away. We're going to go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. And eventually what we're going to do then is we're going to go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now that 1 isn't played, but we're going to play 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now the way we're going to feel that is either if we're marking time, it's easy because we actually hear our foot go. So if I'm marking time, I'm doing this, I get 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And I can't remember, but I think they bring the sticks in. So we get 1 and in, 3, 4, 1 and in, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. So that pattern would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Do it the metronome. A little bit easier for you. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Let's try the whole thing, right? We're going to go top to bottom. This is 100 beats a minute. Let's see if we can hang at that speed, right? So we've got repeat, then the ups, down, down, up, up, down, down, thumb taps, Swiss, then the stop, pause, the end. Again, 3, 4. Reverse. Thumb taps. Twist. Stop. Pause. End. Let's go a little faster. Okay, that's 121. 2, 3, 4. Swiss. Stop. Pause. End. Let's go full speed then, 140. Do one more. So a very cool little exercise. If you watch the whole video, I've got the link below. You're going to see that they also do a flam drag version, which is also very cool, so go check that one out. As always, if you've got any comments, please leave them below. If you've got any suggestions of things you want me to break down, I do read them all. Stick them below. For those guys who've been using the Drumr app, any guys with iOS, go check it out. The app is doing great. We're really enjoying it. I know you Android users still want us on there. We're taking feedback to see how many people are actually interested in that, so I'll put a link for that below as well. For everybody else, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in another lesson real soon.